Good morning YouTube. I'm going on the road right now. I actually have a vlog to finish editing so I can post it on Sunday, and then I have a video to do so I can post it on Wednesday. And but happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Yes, happy Independence, happy 60. I'm just going to get to take a shower. I am currently taking out my clothes right now, and then road time.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So come now, what to do, that's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you.
Hey guys, so I'm actually home now and I have stuff to do. I'm tired, that is one. I'm going to be cooking, but I'm not going to film it because as I said, I'm not going to film the whole cooking process, but I'm going to do some curry chicken neck because I like chicken neck, I love chicken neck, and rice with banana. Yeah. So basically that's what I'm doing. Not me repping for my country today, period. Yeah. So I'ma just get some things out of the way right now and do what I have to do. Hey guys, I just got home and I just decided that these braids, it's time for them to go. I was in a phase where I just needed something new and it was really worth it. I could make it go a while longer, but I just think that it's just, I feel like a time go. Normally I just keep in braids for like a month, and this is a month and a week plus, to be honest, which is amazing. As I said, could go another week, but I honestly just want to pull it out. No acne, I go on bad as well, so I just want to pull it out so I can just do a deep shampooing, deep wash, deep everything, because it hasn't been washed for that long. It has been washed in the braids once, but to me it never wash good. I never get the full wash it's supposed to get, and then it never get for dry good because I just stay hurry up and I do everything. So this is what I'm going to be doing now, is to really and truly be pulling them out because I think it's just time for it to go. So let's do this. Like as I said, I have these phases so much. Like I have them phases so much. I'm gonna be safe and cut the ear dramatic. I know my ear not so tall, but when me not be dramatic with the ear, it really feel me. I'm really don't want to cut nothing this time. As I say, I have a strong feeling to me know say my ear not tall like this. But you know, better safe than never. So I'm just in this phase where I just want something fresh. I feel like my face tired of the braid. I don't know. I just feel like it's tired of the braid, and this is why I'm pulling it out. Like, guys don't need to check out my braids because I always feel like if I put on my ear whenever I'm a braid. My hair with her because like the braid them so neat. Like if I could just like fix the top part and then I'm afraid my ear lock up because my ear soft, and anytime when I'm having ear a certain time, because I normally keep in braids for like a month. I've never been over a month. This is actually the first time. Well, probably not the first time, but since I get bigger, I'd say that this is the longest I've ever kept in my braids for, because when I tell you say, wait, let me get on card. So yeah, anyways, as I said, I feel like I have them phase there when I just feel like my ear want comb, I just want get my nails done, I just want like I'm gonna say I have a lot of phases. Like honestly, I have so many phases where I'm concerned. I have phases where me allow one tattoo and then I think about it. Phases where I want a new piercing and I just not do it. So I don't know. This is just the phase where I just think the braids got to go. I just feel like I want to feel a little freshness there with my natural hair until I feel like I want to comb my hair again. I don't even know when again that's going to be, because before this I braided my hair like in December. And as I say guys, just to look how neat these braids are still looking. Like I can't even still wear them short. That's how neat should be. Even a bit dramatic or no. I'm just telling you all the truth. I always feel away if I pull out braids whenever I make sure braid my hair, because them just neat. The only part of my ear pull up up here, so and the type of ear I have it don't even look bad, because I really never want to pull it out still, you know. But don't gone bad, because it just make me not have to comb my ear morning time, and I really love that, because when I comb my ear morning time it take up a lot of time, like a lot of time. I don't like me I do nothing than catch up my ear, because me have my one style. Is either I go back or I go up in a one. But you know, this is what I'm doing. Guys, we are on our way to 400 subscribers and I'm super excited about that, because after that then we're going on our way to 500 subscribers. But I need your help guys. I need you guys to be sharing the videos, telling people about it that would really love this channel, to just stick around with me for a minute or so. Yeah guys, kinda like how it cut short, you know, even though them not cut to the right length, meaning like them not even, but me like how them look. But bad. They might give my blunt bob cut. So yeah guys, I think my vent enough on this. I've vented a lot. So yeah guys, I think all of them are cut it now. I cut it. Them cut. So now I'm just going to be pulling them out. I don't want to listen to some song while I may do this, because it's going to take a little while. Not really much, but I hope it not really take long, you know. Which song am I going to pull? Come out of the file. So guys, I just took a shower because I had to, and this is where I am at, still in the process of pulling out my hair, but like I'm not going so bad, but I really want this to finish pull out tonight. So this weekend I'll wash my hair, but I don't know. This is how it's soaking. But I sketched up for be and also forget back to work. So yeah. This is in fact giving me tired because my eye feel like it a shoot. I really want to do this tonight. I'm like, I honestly can't wait to see daylight because I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow and I just really want to can't eat something and I can't eat anything right now because it's too late and I don't want it for disrupt my whole me going to the doctor tomorrow. So much is there.
Ever since Davey had stopped Anissa from transferring schools, Ben was thankfully back to talking to her again. What's up, David?
Not much. Oh.
So guys, we're officially at the last lap of I'm going to tell you say I do want to upload this tomorrow and I make that with sleep in my mind.
After seeing her mom giggling like a thirsty teenager in Dr. Jackson's fancy-ass car, this teenager was thirsty for answers. Was that what her mom looked like flirting? Or was it a harmless work meeting that was taking place in her street's most notorious hookup spot?
Oh, baby. Why do you look like that?
So guys, I'm officially finished pulling my hair and I'm very excited about that because it don't really pull out still, you know, because the roots need like some conditioner, and then there's no braid in it. So yeah, I'm probably just going to end this vlog right here. But just never did I say vlog because I forgot it was actually a vlog but turned into a whole venting session. I pull up my hair. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for actually listening to me vent. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. The fan is in the background but we'll put a relay at here because it's a bit loud. But yeah. Bye guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna wash my hair as I said before. But yeah, bye guys.